I recently purchased this Atom Health nighttime erection sensor. What this does is it measures the frequency and duration of your nighttime erections. Nighttime erections are a really important part of penis and erectile health. And if you're not getting enough nighttime erections, this can lead to things like erectile dysfunction. I learned about this program through Brian Johnson, and I was part of the limited access program. So this is one of the first runs of this product that was made. This is not a sponsored video. I did actually purchase this product myself, and Atom Health doesn't know that I'm making this video. I'll link up to this product in the description down below. At the point of recording this, that's not an affiliate link, but if that changes, I'll have that marked down below. I actually ordered this product in August of 2023, and I paid 149 euros for it, plus 29 euros to get it shipped to me. So all up, it cost me 178 euros, or around 200 US dollars or 300 Australian dollars. Shipments were meant to be in the end of October 2023, but I actually didn't receive mine until February 2024. So let's go ahead and show you the product. It came in this white box, which honestly is made of quite thin cardboard. It doesn't really have a premium feel, given that I paid about $200 for this product. And if we go ahead and open it, this is how it came. So you've got a QR code so you can download the app and get started. The device is in here, which I'll show you in a second. And it also came with some alcohol wipes and a mini USB cord. In 2024, I probably would prefer a USB-C, but not the hugest of deals. And then let's go ahead and look at the product. So here it is. This is the product. As you can see, it's quite chunky, bigger than I thought it would be. You've got your charging input for the mini USB, and then you've got a power on and off button here, but there's actually nothing to indicate which way is on and which way is off. So that's definitely something that can be improved upon. So in here is where your penis goes, and there's just string here that stretches out to measure your erection and when you're having an erection. And there's a little pad here, I'm guessing for comfort, but honestly, it's super flimsy. It was already kind of pulling apart when I got it. I've used this for one night, and as you can see, it's already breaking. This is going to be gone soon. It definitely feels like a 3D printed prototype. Like this string that they use feels like it could break really easily. Doesn't feel like this is going to be a good long-term device. And even how thin this padding is. I'd much prefer it if there was a thicker string and thicker padding for more comfort around your penis, or even to have this covered in silicone instead, just to make it more comfortable to wear. And obviously to know whether you switched it on or off would be good. Just some sort of indicator at all that it's actually on. I guess you can connect it to the app and that will tell you. Maybe I'll just add a little marking on there so I know what's on. So how exactly do you use this device? Well, basically all you do is you go ahead and pull the string and you put it over your penis, and it sits over your penis like this. As you can see, it's quite a big device and it's a little bit loose on there, so I'd prefer if it was a better fit or maybe had some curve to it to fit on your penis a bit better. And while it does have this little rubber protection there, you still have the string actually touching your penis. But yeah, it sits on like that, then you put your underpants over the top, and then you go to sleep like that. And yeah, overnight it measures your erections, because when you get erect, your penis will expand and the string gets longer. And this is measured and delivered back to an app. If you have a look at the app, initially you'll go through and connect your device to the app via Bluetooth. I've already done this. And then when you're ready to go to bed, you go ahead and click on Start New Measurement. It gives you some instructions here to turn everything on. Go ahead and click Next. It's now going to look for the sensor and try and find it. Whether mine is on or not, I'm not sure, because I'm not sure which way is on. So we'll see if it can find it. Otherwise, we'll try it in the other orientation. Okay, it's not finding it. So let's go ahead and flick it to on. Okay, I just went ahead and flicked it, and now it said it's found it. So on here, actually, there is two circles and one has a line through it. So I'm guessing that means on. So I take it back. There is a way to see that it's on. Let's go ahead and click next. It says now wear the sensor and click next. So I've got my sensor on my penis here. Let's go ahead and click next. And now we can go ahead and start the session. Now it says the screen should remain active throughout the night in order for the measurements to run. However, I did close the app and allow it to run in the background, and it worked fine. And I've just pulled it, and you can see that the measurements have changed from 0 to 6.5. They've now gone back to 0. And then if I pull it again, you can see it goes up to 8. And then if I let it go back down again, you can see that it's changing. So you leave this on throughout the night, and then when you wake up in the morning, you go ahead and press stop. You then go ahead and end the measurement, and then you answer a few questions. How was your sleep? It was good. Did you have any issues? No, and then go ahead and click save. Now, once you've done your measurements, you can go to the measurement section and see in there, you've got one from the 12th of February, which is one that I actually did. And then the one from the 19th of February you've got, which is the fake one that I did just now. So let's go ahead and open the 12th of February one, and you can see my results here over the course of the evening. I would love if this actually gave you the analysis in the app. However, it doesn't. It just kind of gives you this graph, and I don't really know how to read it. So you can get your raw data via email, and it comes as a TXT file, which I'll show you now. This would be better if it came as a CSV file. At least then I could put it in a spreadsheet and create a graph, but the .txt file I can't personally do anything with or make sense of. Otherwise, you can go ahead and click analyze my measurement, and then they will email you an analysis of that. I received my email about a day after requesting it, so it didn't take too long, but I do wish it just showed you this sort of stuff in the app. But maybe this will change over time. Now, if we have a look at the report here, you can see that they've highlighted the areas that they consider to be nighttime erection episodes. And if you scroll down, we can see here that the total duration of the samples defined as being part of an erection episode is approximately 160 minutes. Then if we have a look further down, you can see the individual erection episodes, and I had 3 erections over the course of the evening and differing levels of erection quality. Then you can compare that to the average erections of healthy men, and you can see average number of erection episodes per night and the average total erection time. So my erection time was higher than normal. However, I only had 3 erections, which seems to be lower than normal. But this is only one evening, and they do advise that you don't ejaculate at all on the day that you do the experiment. And I had ejaculated more than once on this day. So it'll be really interesting to see how things go when I don't ejaculate on the day that I take the measurement. So would I recommend this product? For me, I'm pretty excited by this product because I'm going to do a bunch of experiments to see how it affects my nighttime erections and how I can get stronger and harder erections. I personally suffered with erectile dysfunction, and I've got a full course on all of the different things that you can do to improve your erections. And it's going to be really exciting for me to double down on those things and see how it affects my nighttime erections. For the average person who's simply suffering with some performance anxiety and mild erectile dysfunction, I don't necessarily think this is going to be worth the money unless you are actively doing things to try to improve your erections, and this can help to measure whether you're actually getting any benefit out of those interventions. I think for people suffering with more severe erectile dysfunction, this could be a really interesting tool, because if you can find out that you're not actually getting nighttime erections, that's a pretty serious sign that you need to do something in order to improve your erectile health. And so you could then take that data to your urologist or to your specialist, and then you can work together on some strategies to regain those nighttime erections. I think it would also be really useful for people who have had prostate surgery or some sort of surgery that might affect your erections. And it could also be useful for people doing shockwave therapy to see whether or not the shockwave therapy is improving their nighttime erections. I'm really excited to use this product more, and I'll have a video coming out in the future where I detail the different things that I learned from using this for a full month. To make sure you don't miss that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're suffering with erectile dysfunction and want to learn the different things that you can do to improve your erections and get healthier and harder erections than you've had in years, then I do have a full course where I outline everything that I did to get the hardest erections that I've had in years. Simply go to passionately.com/ED course, or click the link in the description down below and start taking steps to get the best erections of your life.